Real quick before we get into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that Soul Premise is having 50% off with my code Mike the Compass for the one time. It's just Mike the Compass. It ain't for the one time, but yeah, man, you can get the backpack, you can get the duffel. 50% off right now is the perfect time. This is probably the biggest sale they've had so far. So if you've been intrigued by using this magical bag, my brethren, make sure you go click the link down below and just use the code Mike the Compass. You can also check out my full in-depth review. I'll probably drop another one this week of the red bag specifically, but I'll link that in a card so you can check it out and see the features. But it does fit up to a size 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't even trip about it. I love using this bag, especially for the weekend when I'm going places. So yeah, man, go ahead and run that up. What up? Yo. I don't know. What's up, Lo? Man. You motherfuckers. I don't know where I'm going, bro. I've been watching too much Training Day. So I'm doing my first meetup, y'all. First meetup in a few years, it feels like, to be honest. I don't really be doing sneaker meetups like that no more just because people be tripping. But I need this pair of shoes, obviously, for the review. And I got a giveaway. I'm going to announce it on my Instagram. So if you're watching this right now, go follow me on Instagram and turn on notifications ASAP Rocky, because I'm giving away 3 pairs of these things. Guaranteed. But yeah, I wanted to like document this process. It's been a long time. Maybe give you guys some tips on how to stay safe. I got this Invisalign and I can't talk. How to stay safe when doing a meetup. So for this dude, I'm trying to get the Jubilee 11s, clearly. Give you a little rundown. I've been hitting up everyone, bro. eBay. I got a whole like story I want to tell y'all about eBay because it's kind of annoying now that they have this authentication process. Like, it's cool and all, but I'm not about it. I've been just hitting people on Twitter, hitting people on Instagram. Everybody's so inconsistent. So it's like, dude, I'm trying to give you my money, bro. Just give me the shoes. So I found this dude on Facebook. He's actually local to me, which is fire. Shout out to Sneakers app for just, giving people early pairs. That's great. And he wanted 320. I offered 280. And he's like, how about you meet me at 300? And I was like, I only got 280. You know how it goes. You gotta negotiate in these streets. You know what I'm saying? So he's like, if you come to me, I'll run 280. And I'm like, perfect, bro. Let's go. So here we are. That's pretty much the story. Always negotiate, guys. Except when you're buying shoes from me, don't negotiate because I'm firm. Nah, but you get what I'm saying? You always got a wheel and deal. You always just want to feel like you're getting some type of deal. And I've seen pairs go for 350. I've seen pairs go for 300. I've seen people sell them for 260. So it's all over the place, and it's going to be like that. I'm sure there's more than 1 million pairs of these things. So I want to see them. I heard the quality was great, but let's go. Welcome to the documentary of a sneaker meetup. How does it go? Number one, the most important rule is you want to make sure to bring someone with you. That's always smart to do. I didn't do that. Stupid. Number two, make sure you meet in a safe location. You want to make sure both parties are safe. And I think the biggest problem is, how do you know that the shoes are real? Now, I'm not concerned about fakes this early on, especially in a size 13. But for the most part, you want to make sure the seller has some type of feedback. Maybe they've sold to a lot of other people in the Facebook group or whatever. Make sure they have the receipt. It's little things like that. Most people aren't trying to scam you guys. Like, there's a lot of dirty motherfuckers out there, but most people aren't out here like scheming. A lot of people are, but not everyone. It's very rare, honestly. Now, once you guys agree on a safe location, ask them if they take PayPal. Ask them if they take Venmo, anything else besides cash. And sometimes they want cash. Cash is king. I get it. When I do meetups, I want cash only. But, always ask for those options just to make sure you're protected. Cash can be a little bit sketchy. Someone could punk you. Someone could run you. Someone could rob you. A lot of things that can happen. Not saying they won't happen. There's always potential risk. Maybe bring some pepper spray with you. Bring a knife, bro. Like, not saying you're going to stab someone. Not saying you are going to shoot someone. Nothing like that. But have an option to protect yourself. And that's it, bro. For the most part, you're going to pull up with your cash, meet them at that location you guys both agreed at, check out the shoes, give them the money, keep it moving. And it's really that simple, but you know, things can always happen. So it's better off to be safe. A lot of these apps that we have now to buy shoes kind of protect you in that aspect, so you never run into these potential situations. You might pay an extra $50, but $50 is worth your life, you know what I'm saying? So it's just one of those things, man. But for the most part, people aren't out here trying to just scheme on you all the time. Not saying they are, but they're not, you feel me? So I'm headed to the bank right now, about to pull out, I think I got like $150 cash. I'm about to pull out the extras. And, you know, hopefully by the end of this video, we have a pair of 11s that are pristine. And then I can talk about and make my money back because you watching every ad because you love me. I shouldn't be doing this. I'm driving. I'll stop. You know what I just realized? I didn't give you guys the most practical. Oh, is that a police? Nah. All right. I didn't give you the most practical advice. The best advice, you know, besides carrying a knife or blah blah blah, in reality, man, if someone wants to rob you for your money or someone wants to rob you for your shoes, let them, bro. Your life is way more important than a pair of sneakers, than any amount of money. I mean, if someone runs up like 100 G's, man, you might have to do something, but you know what I'm saying? $280, bro, $200. There is no reason to try to fight, to try to stab, to try to do, I mean, if you got pepper spray on deck, you know, pew pew. But you feel what I'm saying? Like, in reality, if someone says, yo, run it, like, what's up? Man, you set the sneakers down and you back up. You know what I'm saying? Violence is if they keep pressing you. If you set the shoes down and they press you and they're like, no, they want more. Okay, then it's time, fight or flight. You know what I'm saying? Or same thing with money. In reality, if they stick it up, bro, you take your cash, you drop it on the ground, and you fucking run, bro. You run. Get out of there. That is the best advice I can give you. Again, this is a very small chance of this happening, but I'm just letting you guys know, like, no sneaker, bro, no money, nothing is worth your life. You got way more to live for than to die or to get shot or to get stabbed. Like, it ain't worth it. So I needed to include that because I was just thinking about that as I'm driving. That is literally the most important thing.
And how would you like your cash?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, perfect. And that's gonna come out from Mike's account then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Money secured. That's convenient. Also saves a lot of time if you got cash on hand. I had to go to the bank real quick. Young Moolah. Young Moolah. Morena, morena, morena. So what do y'all think, man? Did I get a good deal on these early? Show y'all the money. Show you it's real. Bling bling, money, and it's only 130. I already had cash on me. So. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Keep the hands clean, bro. There's Rona out here in these streets. Good. Just arrived. Let's see how we can get this. Another important thing is to make sure you meet in a safe location, man. Don't be in no sketchy areas. Make sure you meet where there's a lot of people. So, let me grab this real quick. Oh, here we go, do right here. It ain't easy being cheesy. All right, man. So these bad boys secured. Yes, sir. Homie actually told me that he really be killing it when it comes to getting shoes. So I might have a nice little plug in Colorado. Y'all know me trying to get everything early, but no offense, brother, if you're watching this, coronavirus, I gotta wipe this box, brother, because I don't know you. Corona could be on the box. Nah, but for real. But blam. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These actually, I like the packaging, dude. Oh, let's give y'all the full experience. Oh, I just got a notification for Go. Price drop. Get the Off-White 5 for $640. Huh. Now y'all want to tell me that. Oh, damn. Nike, good job on changing it up for the box. So I believe, don't quote me on this, what is it, the 25th anniversary? Is that what these are for? Y'all can quote me, man. I'll do my research. I don't really know. These just look fire. Like, I love how you have the leather panel for the, I don't even know what this is called. I can't think of it. But yeah, that's leather. That's pretty fire. And then the cool hints of the metallic Jordan on each side. Sheesh, these are tough, man. And I love like how they did the milky sole. You won't really have to worry about yellowing too much on these. This is a good like non-retro, if that makes sense. Yeah, non-retro. Because I love how simple these are. Black, these can go with all fits. This is definitely one of those J's that, like, if you only get one pair a year and you're into the 11s, this is a go-to because you can wear these literally every day. They'll go with every single fit. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not the biggest fan of 11s. Like, I have a bunch in my collection, but I just don't wear them like that. I mean, the only time that I really wore 11s a lot was in college. And like my favorite hooping shoe was these. I played in the cool gray 3s. Nigga, did I just say the cool gray 11s? I'm all over the place, but got them. The meetup went fine, man. Like I said, the majority of the time you are safe, but also you got to just make sure you take those precautions. And I know maybe a lot of you are watching this video like, duh, you should be doing this, but I'll tell y'all, man, people, sometimes you don't use your brain. I don't know what it is. Whenever you see a good deal, it's like being a fish and a worm, you know, like a fish on a hook. Does that make sense? You see a little worm in the water, you like, ooh, that look good. Should I bite it? Yeah, that happens too much. In my DMs, bro, I have so many, and I'm not taking shots at none of y'all, but a lot of y'all get scammed for not listening to the advice that I give. Like, if it's too good to be true, it is. So you need to make sure that you're careful at all times. It's not that hard. It really isn't. If it's too good to be true, immediately, if you see a deal, if it comes in your head, this seems too good to be true, it is. It is too good to be true. Don't do it. Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Cool. Well, anyway, I'm going to be giving away 3 pairs of these with the homie. So make sure you guys, right now, if you want to get a head start, I'm not going to announce like exactly what the details are, but just know 3 pairs are being given away. Any size, you don't got to worry about that. All you got to do is follow me on Instagram right now and turn on post notifications, because that's basically where the post is going to go live. So stay tuned for that. Much love to y'all, man. Hope you are staying safe and have a great Thanksgiving. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure to hit that thumbs up for the one time for your boy. Yeah.